How to log in Costco Citi Card online account. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to log in Costco Citi Card online account. Watch the video till the end and without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. Launch web browser on a device. Click search bar and type in citi.com. Press enter on your keyboard. And then you'll land on the official interface of Costco Citi Card online account, where in order to log in, at the right corner of the screen you will easily find out the login section. Simply, you have to enter your credentials like user ID and password. If you wish to remember the user ID, check mark the small box underneath user ID section and then click on sign in button. If you don't have any accounts on Costco Citi Card online account, click register or activate and then follow the on-screen prompts, then create an account. In case if you forget your user ID or password, click on the user ID or password forget link and then recover from there. If you wish to sign on passwordless, you can click on this link given below and then sign on using the QR code. That's how you can easily log in into Costco Citi Card online account. Hope this guide was helpful. If it was, do like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.